Assalamu alaikum, grade one. So, how are you doing all? How is everything going? Are you happy? And what's new in your life? Yeah, we are here with a gap of 1 day. Yes, we have 3 classes of Islamiat now. So, this is our second class, third day of week, second day of Islamiat, week 2. What we have read before. Yeah, on the very first day, we memorized something, and that was Suratul Fatiha. Great. And what was the topic we have done in reading? Exactly. Yes, we have learned about Allah. So, students, today we are having the same topic. But before that, I want you to tell me some of the names. Do you know some of the names of Allah? If you have any idea, like if you will look around yourself, you come to know that there are some kind of big sceneries in our home in which Allah's name is written, and we always praise them. He has 99 beautiful names. The topic is not about his names, but topic is about his specific name, which I'm gonna teach you today. Do you know what is this written? What is this written? Any idea? Yes, it's the last name, you are correct. But what is this? What is its name? Let me tell you. Al-Wahidu. It's written Al-Wahidu. Is it visible? Al-Wahidu. Yes. What does Al-Wahidu mean? Do you know? Well, before moving to our topic, I want you to see the video of Tawheed. You can say a video related to Allah, a video related to His oneness, a video related in which we come to know what are the things He has made and what are the beliefs of us that we need to follow for proper Islam or proper oneness. Well, children, it's really very easy to tell that Allah Ta'ala has made this world, and it is our firm belief that no one can do the things what He has done for us. Okay, here I am today to tell you. I don't know, you have any idea or not, but I really want that you should tell me what is Tawheed. I have given you this. I have given you the lecture on Tawheed, na? So can you please explain what is Tawheed? Yeah, please. Any one of you. And in Tawheed, what do we accept? Do you know the pehla kalma, the first kalima? Yes, La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. So the video is basically about oneness of Allah. Then I will tell you Allah is one. Watch carefully.
Tawheed, heavenly books,
Heavenly books. We need to believe that Allah Ta'ala has sent us the books.
in the world,
Allah Ta'ala has given us the books in the world.
for prophets' guidance,
Then 4 prophets He has
to
said.
find the right path,
Yes.
known as Wahi
Revelation.
or revelation. Wahi is a gift from God. Wahi was brought by Angel Jibrail.
Well, students, this was about Tawheed. Why I have shown you this video, our topic is not Tawheed, but I really want you to believe that Tawheed means oneness of Allah. We need to believe that Allah is one. In La ilaha, we always say that there is no God except Allah, and Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the last prophet. So it is basically about oneness of Allah. That is also a belief on Tawheed, that we know that He has made this world. We know He has sent the prophets. We know that He has sent the books. So if the topic is clear to you, this was Islamiat book. Take it out, your Islamiat book for primary classes. And then you have to open page number 9. Page number 9. We have read about Allah. Allah Ta'ala is one. He created us. He created our parents. He created our father, mother. He created our brother, sister. Today we are going to learn about Al-Wahido. Al-Wahido, Allah is one. What does it mean? Allah is one. There is no God but Allah. Allah is the only one. There is no one except Him. He has created us. Then we are going to read about His oneness. Do listen to me carefully. Put your fingers on the box and then we are going to read. Read it down. Allah is one and only. Allah has no father and mother. He has no children. Allah has no family. There is no God except Allah. Muslims declare this by saying, La ilaha illallah. There is no God. There is no God but Allah. This is the first part of kalima. Okay. Again, I'm going to read for you. Allah is the one and only. Allah has no father or mother. He has no children. Allah has no family. There is no God except Allah. Muslims declare this by saying, La ilaha illallah. La ilaha illallah means there is no God except Allah. So children, if you come to know, Allah Ta'ala is one. He is the only one. He has no family, no sisters, no brothers, no children, no father, mother. He is the one who created the world, but no one has created him. Okay? So keep this thing in your mind that Allah is the one. You need to underline the words which I'm going to write on the board. Mother. And then father. Then children. Except. Except means no one else is there than him. Except Allah. And declare. These are your words. We are going to learn them. M-O-T-H-E-R. 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 Mother. F-A-T-H-E-R. 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 Father. Children. C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N. 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 Except. E-X-C-E-F-T. E-X-C-E-F-T. E-X-C-E-P-T. E-X-C-E-P-T. E-X-C-P-E. E-X-C-E-P-T. This is except and then declare. D-E-C-L-A-R-E. 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 Declare. So this is about today's lecture. We are going to do the exercise of this in our tomorrow's class because the reading was necessary. I'm going to ask you some of the questions. Then you need to tell me what are they mean. First of all, tell me what does Al-Wahido mean? Al-Wahido. I have shown you this name now. What does this mean? Al-Wahido. Yes, it means Allah is one. What does Al-Wahido mean? Allah is one. Is there any children of God? Is there any children of Allah? No, He is the one. He has no children. Is there any father or mother of Allah? Not at all. He has no father and mother. And then, does Allah have family? Not at all. Allah has no family. And is there any God except Allah? There is no God except Allah. Yes, great. How do we declare it by saying, what do we say when we declare that Allah is one? Exactly, we say, La ilaha illallah. What do we say? We say, La ilaha illallah. That is really very nice of you that you people have understood it well. Children, do you know what you have to do is you need to write the name Al-Wahido. If you can, then show it to me. Okay? Show me the name Al-Wahidu. Please, yes. Yes. Nicely done. Nicely done. What about others? Good. And what does Al-Wahidu mean? Well done, well done. Al-Wahidu mean Allah is one. Keep this in your mind. Allah is one. We are going to read some of the other names of Him, and then also we will come to know about 99 names of Allah. Not all, some of the names that are really very important to learn, because I want that you should know what are the things He has made and what are the names, meanings of Allah. Okay? This is all about today, children. I hope you have understood it well. Do read it, do learn it, and then we will do this exercise tomorrow after revising it. And tomorrow I will show you the Laila. Today, my main purpose to show you Tawheed, that we should believe that Allah has made these things, okay? And He is the one who has the courage and who has the power to create everything. Okay? Take care, class. We will meet tomorrow, inshallah. Okay?